Is there a straw in there? Oh wow. Oh my gosh.
Did you see that?
Did you get it? I don't know if the glare is, if I'm going to be able to catch this with that glare. There we go. Oh my gosh, that is cool.
Or is it a 4? It's a long 4. And then 5.
Is it focusing?
And then 4. I'm blind. I know, it's long. It's a long 4.
Long where? Bendy straws?
Yeah.
Good.
I never looked at the car.
Well, when you get on those last 2 holes,
Looking
and
the
you're
same
up on
thing.
the
They're in there.
tee box and you're on the green, you're just like,
You can see like
This is so good.
I guess you're going to land
it's crazy. 10 miles.
The panoramic view.
I love her.
Just way.
This used to be his private. And this was, you couldn't get on this course when I was in college. And I would tell Roya, we would send enchiladas to Mark.
Those.
You know, she's enchiladas out there too.
Double straw. You found the straws he was looking for?
The gecko got the moth.
You've got Richie.
Huh?
Golf with Willie. That's what
Everybody get the picture.
he owns El Roya.
Yeah, everybody get the picture while we're videoing the gecko with the moth.
Oh, look, it's eating the moth.
Yeah.
Oh, it's eating the
Well, I'm
moth.
telling you what.
The gecko is eating a moth and I'm recording.
That's crazy. Oh, weird.
I don't think I got this. I don't think I got this.
Wait, is the
get
gecko
on
eating a
camera.
moth or is the moth grossy?
Is it still alive?
Yes.
Oh, God.
Do you realize you have the camera focused on you, Richie, and not on the little varmint?
No, you can see the gecko.
He's taking selfies.
You can see the gecko in the picture.
Oh, no, I don't know.
Geckos are supposed to be good luck.
He's eating the moth.
We have some in our house.
He's eating what?
He's eating a moth that he caught.
We have geckos.
Really?
We have geckos.
Yeah,
parties,
look.
and we have
See,
frogs.
he's got a moth in his
I
mouth.
have not been invited to a gecko party or a frog party. I am very upset.
I just want to say that's rude.
It's very rude.
We got the
No
whole
meat.
thing on camera.
Toads have insects.
He's about to set the last bit down.
I missed him catching it. I knew he was about to get it, but I
Never
missed him
invited me.
catching it.
It's so mad.
He's waiting. Oh, look, he's trying to digest it. There went some of it.
He just eats it whole like a stork or whatever.
Prehistoric.
A stork. I was saying a
Oh, a
stork, but
stork.
it's some kind of bird with, you know. Well, I'm just going to sound real stupid on this video at this point. I'm going to shut up. Yeah.
I don't know the song.
Oh, there it goes.
Yep, he's got it home now. That's cool.
Is this the girls from Nashville?